as 10. This is wonderful. Madam Kamweti from 4 West. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. I mean, Mr. Kiminza McBee. This is great. This is great. All right. You are so active today, and this is wonderful. I want to request people to kindly subscribe. Please make sure you subscribe to this platform. Make sure you share the link. Invite a friend kindly. Somebody introduced you to shifting grades. Introduce a friend so that they may also learn. We have our value of P, and now we can proceed to determine the variance, standard deviation that is, and we have been told to 3 decimal places. Remember, for us to get variance, we have to get the mean first. Let's get the mean of each value. For us to get the mean, we should add all the values now, starting with the 10 itself, the value that we have just calculated now, then 6, then 11, then 13, plus 14, plus 8, plus 7, then plus 12. After 12, we add 20. After 20, we add 9. We have already added P. I'm getting 111. Then I divide by 10. 111, 110 over 10. So I get 11. So 11 is now the age. If 11 is the age, we can get deviations of all the values from the mean. Deviations of all the values from the mean. Then we square the deviations and we find the mean of squared deviations, which will be our variance. After that variance, now we can calculate what we call standard deviation. So for us to get deviations, we need to get each value and how it's deviating from the mean. Each value minus the mean. Each value minus the mean. Each value minus the mean. So we need to take the first value, 6 minus 11, we get negative 5. Then we go to 11 minus 11, we get 0. We have 13 minus 11, we get 2. We have a 14 minus 11, we get 3. 8 minus 11, negative 3. We go to 7 minus 11, negative 4. Then 12 minus 11, positive 1. There is after 12, 20 minus 11, we get 9. P is 10 minus 11, negative 1. And finally, there is a 9 minus 11, negative 2. So now, to do away with the negative signs on the values of the deviations, we now square the deviations. So deviations squared. Negative 5 squared, 25. 0 squared remains a 0. 2 squared, 4. This is a 9, and this one also 9. Then 16, 1. 9 squared, we get 81. Sorry, 81. Then this will become 1. This will become 4. So we have all the deviations squared. We can get now the summation of deviations squared. Sum of all deviations squared. So we add deviations squared, then we divide by the number of items for us to get what we call variance. So variance in this case will be given by, we add all the deviations squared, 25, 0, 4, 9, 9. We also add 16. We also add 1. We add 81. We add 1, and finally 4. I'm getting 150. So 150 divided by 10 items. I'm getting a a variance of 15. For me to get standard deviation, .73, because it's 2, 9. So we make this one a 3. So this one to 3 decimal places is going to be our standard deviation. Standard deviation. I believe you are followed. I believe you can redo the question given a similar chance alone. Given a similar chance, you can still do the question. Thank you so much.